how can we highlight the duplicate and remove duplicate by using the formula. So formula is count if formula. So if I want to remove duplicates by using formula, I will use countif. Start with equal to COUNTIF, press tab. First thing is range. I will select the whole data. That is my range, comma. And what is my criteria? I want if any this reference cell, this one, if any name is appearing more than one time, I want to know. Then close of bracket, press enter. If you want to copy the formula, just double click at the bottom and it will apply on all the cells. Now you can see the result 3. It means the Steve Fish, that name is appearing 3 times in my data, like 1, 2, and 3. So if anything, if showing 2, it means it's appearing 2 times. So what I can do, I can simply apply filter. First, I'll remove the filter, Control Shift L, and apply again, Control Shift L, and I will select anything which is more than 1. Okay, all these figures. So what I will do, I will delete those rows and then I will able to remove the duplicates from my data. I will select those row, press Control minus, and it will delete those rows for me. Again, remove the filter. Now my duplicates has been removed. So this was the another method to remove the duplicates in your data. Hit the like button if you like this video and make sure to subscribe my channel.